Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today we're going to do a logo sign for a bakery out of Montgomery, Texas. This sign's going to be made in oak. It's going to be a CNC engraving. It's got a lot of color to it, which I'm not actually looking forward to because you know how much I love painting. And other than that, I'll tell you about the screw up I did right off the bat. It didn't mess up the sign, but when I was gluing up the oak, I glued it up and it's about 16 inches wide. And you can see right back there is my thickness planer. It's 13 inches wide. So that meant that I did a lot of hand planing and a lot of sanding on this wood just because I had a brain fart and didn't think it through before I got to going. So anyway, guys, we're gonna do a CNC engraving of this sign. And like I said, it's got a ton of color. It's got a pretty cool design. So let's get to it. Man, that was a lot of painting. I now remember why I don't hand paint anything, because it is just mind-numbing. I was really missing my airbrush about halfway through that mess. I mean, fortunately, I did get to do the lettering and with the airbrush, and I'd have loved to have done the rest of it with an airbrush, but I didn't have all those colors, and I probably could have mixed them up and made it more of a solution and made an aerosol out of it, or made it to where it would atomize better, but I didn't. I thought it'd just be faster to paintbrush it, and boy, whew, there's lots of painting. So it came out great. I mean, all the colors really kind of popped on it, and this is really close to what her logo is. All the colors aren't exact. I mean, I think her pink is a little lighter pink, and the turquoise may be a little more turquoisey, but it's close. Like I said, I stained it again. I love the stain on oak. I mean, hardly ever will you find me just paint a whole piece of oak, because to me it's a waste of the wood. And I've still got to polyurethane it. This is still damp, and I'm probably not going to polyurethane it till tomorrow, simply because we've got storms moving in and it's really getting humid outside. So it's probably going to be tomorrow before that thing even dries enough for me to polyurethane over it. So you can find that website, woodscakerybakery.com, or you can find the owner of this business at It's Brandy on YouTube. She has a channel here as well. So guys, that's about it for this one. If you hadn't done so yet, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. It's called Woods Cakery Bakery, and I rolled my eyes and also